Imagine you're planning a global business venture. You're excited about the prospects, but there's one major hurdle. How will you handle international payments? That's where Airwallex comes in. But which currencies does this fintech giant support? Let's dive in and find out. I remember when I first started my online store. I was so excited to reach customers around the world, but the thought of dealing with multiple currencies and exchange rates was overwhelming. That's when I stumbled upon Airwallex. It was like a breath of fresh air. Airwallex is a global financial infrastructure platform that simplifies cross-border payments, currency exchange, and more. It's designed to help businesses of all sizes expand into new markets without the complexities of traditional banking. Which currencies does Airwallex support? So, let's get to the heart of the matter. Which currencies does Airwallex support? Well, it's quite comprehensive. Airwallex supports a wide range of currencies, including major currencies: USD, Euro, GBP, AUD, CAD, JPY, SGD, NZD, CHF. Emerging markets: RMB, INR, IDR, THB, MYR, PHP, VND. And many more, including currencies from Africa, Latin America, and Eastern Europe. Airwallex's extensive currency coverage means you can seamlessly transact with customers and suppliers around the globe. Additional features, beyond currencies. But it's not just about currencies. Airwallex offers a suite of features to streamline your international payments, including multi-currency accounts, hold and manage funds in multiple currencies. Global payment network, connect with businesses worldwide. Exchange rates, benefit from competitive exchange rates. API integration, integrate Airwallex into your existing systems. Real-world example, a case study. Let's take a look at how Airwallex helped one company expand internationally. Insert a brief case study of a business that used Airwallex to successfully conduct international transactions. So, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient way to handle international payments, Airwallex is definitely worth considering. With its wide range of supported currencies and comprehensive features, it can help you streamline your operations and focus on growing your business. Ready to learn more about Airwallex and how it can benefit your business? Visit their website or contact their sales team today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.